What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. Today we have a hose reel. I love it already. The first thing that comes in the box is the instructions, and I will definitely need this. They have a QR code, so if you want to go ahead and scan the QR code and go along with that, y'all are welcome. Now, I did put a post on the side of the house. I don't know if I will post up that. I don't even know when I'm gonna put that review up. I got so many reviews on backlog. As far as the instruction goes, there is not a lot to it. I know y'all done hearing me talk. All right, you guys, we have one of the main attractions right here. I hope everything works good. Another thing I hope this thing don't rust. Yeah, I just hope it don't rust, right? This is the part that obviously get hooked on to your house or to your post. Okay. You have your adjuster right here, so you can adjust it whatever way you need to adjust it. Oh, okay, I see how to lock it. I know how to lock it now. Turn it to wherever you need it to go, but we're gonna leave it like that, leave it locked. I'll go over that once I get the stuff up. I'll go over all the functions, not a problem. You know how we do in this channel. Oh, and they gave us the hose connector. Another cool trick for you is to leave this out in the sun and then it will be flexible. That is it. That is absolutely it. There is nothing else. Oh, the handle feels nice. Oh, nice and rubbery. Dang, you guys feel, well, I was ready to tell y'all to feel this, but this feels good, nice and comfortable. I like that. Good job. All right, you guys, we have 2 screws. We have 2 screws here. Now, they didn't give us screws to screw onto your house or to your post, I don't believe. I am looking right now to see everything that comes included in this thing. And I don't even know if this is BB. All right, you guys, we have an issue. I know everybody talk about me and saying, you need to read instructions. Well, guess what? If they will provide you with all the screws you need, you wouldn't have to go through all these headaches. All right, they saying that this is included, right? Y'all see how this is half thread? I have full thread right here. All right, so is that the same thing? I don't know, because nothing is labeled. All right, you guys, so I gave in. Usually I don't give in to things like this, but you guys, I'm upset, but then I'm happy at the same time, but I'm upset. So I went to Walmart, just went on and got me some 3-inch screws, and I got me some washers, something that they didn't provide with this whole product. And I still need to do some work on my stake here. I used the foam and I made a mistake. I should have just used concrete. I ain't gonna use foam again, you guys. I'm gonna be honest with you, I'm not using foam again. Let me go ahead, assemble this hose reel and just be done with it. Step 1, brick or masonry anchor sleeves. All right, they said the following hardware is not included. All right, washers, lock washers, nuts, anchor sleeves. So basically, a lot of this stuff is not included. So I went and got me my own washers. All right, not included. Basically the wood screws, I'll take a photo for y'all. Basically the wood screws to screw inside your home, well, not inside your home, but on your siding, not included. So I thought this stuff was going to be included, in which something that's over $100, you can't include a couple of dollar screws. All right, so anyways, all right, so right now we are going to go ahead and install the first part, which is this piece right here, and we have to install it like this. Now, one thing I didn't calculate the length of the hose. So the length of this hose right here, I did not put this in consideration. I might leave it lower. I think right there should be good. So, depending on wherever your water at towards your house, my water is on this side, so I'm gonna leave the water hookup right here going towards that way. But they also got it to where you can mount it this way. So if your water's on, if your house is on the right side or left side, you can turn this to the right side or the left side, easy. Okay, So basically like this, you can put it in like this. I won't hook it up like this because my water is not on this side. So I'm going to turn it around and hook it up like this. Now we need to get the 2 screws that they gave us in the packet. Okay, you guys, so it says to install these 2 screws right here. Now, you see how these are full thread? And what they're telling me to install or to use is, you see how these are half thread right there? Not even full thread, right? This is all they gave me, okay? I'm gonna leave it just like that. Y'all saw the unboxing. No specific way. Whatever way you want to put the screws in, you can put them in. And this is why you shouldn't have gave me full thread, because it's hard to get through. Come on, almost there. Come on. Now I don't want to go through unless I thread it through. They gave us our Allen key. The only way I can screw it on. I think this is used, you guys. I might have bought this used. I am not sure. I don't think so though. We have our 2 nuts. We're gonna put our 2 nuts on it. Make sure it's secure. Might screw it in with my screw gun because this will take forever. Yep, I'm not even going to attempt to do this. You guys, I'll use a screw gun for that. So we are going to skip step 3 right now, and let's look on the back. Now it's saying DD, which I thought wasn't in the packet, but DD is already attached on here. So you see this black washer right here? If y'all can see it, there's a black washer right here. Scooch y'all over. There's a black washer right here, and there's a screw right here. This screw is DD. I thought it wasn't in the content, so we need this screw because we need to put our handle on. I'm gonna take this off like so. Some of this stuff is self-explanatory, but you got 1 hole only, and then you have 1 hole on this thing in which you could turn it to go the way you need it to go. You leave the washer on there too, you guys. The black washer right there, leave that on, that way it don't rub. This thing look like it got rust already in the threads, so hopefully this don't become a rusty machine. If so, I will have to paint it yearly. It's gonna be left out in the rain, and that's how that goes. All right, you guys, so sorry, zoom out. I got it on there, it's rolling. All right. Alright, that's good, that's good. Alright, now I can hook my hose up and reel it in. Okay, you guys, so another feature that I forgot to show y'all, that this turns many directions, so you can unlock it. There's a little pin here where you can leave it unlocked and you can turn it. Alright, so that's pretty awesome. Now for me, I can't do a whole 360-degree turn due to the lack of holes that I have that they supplied me with. So in my situation, I would just leave it like this for now until I make me a new hose. But if I want to use it for the front yard, I could just pull it that way, which is my backyard. If I need to use it for my backyard, I could pull it that way. And if I need to use it for the front yard, I'll just pull the hose that way. And either way, I can still wound it up the same way. So it don't really matter which way I am facing, I can wound it up. All right, you guys, so we have our cage of goodies here. If you have any gloves, garden gloves, whatever you use for your lawn and garden, you can put it in this little cage if it's, you know, able to fit in this little cage. But you see these little 2 slots right there? They go right here on the side. Y'all see it? 2 spots right there. Put it right there on the side. Slide it down, and we're done. One thing I can say is you will definitely need to get yourself some screws and get yourself some washers, okay? I kind of randomly chose these washers, but guess what? It fit. So if you want to know what washers I use, these are the washers here. I got it from Walmart. The screws that I used was these exterior 3-inch screws right here. I got it from Walmart also. And if you're screwing into your siding of your house, which I'm not really a fan of doing, me personally, I'm not going to do that because sometimes I change my mind on this type of stuff, or you know, I want to get something new. So this is not really permanent. It's not even a permanent area for me. I might even move it back. So yeah, that's just the type of person I am. All right, you guys, the issues I'm having is the head of this is big, so it's rubbing against the bottom part right here. This is the hose that came with it to hook up to the supply. Usually this is a regular size for your water hose, so just to let you know, a regular water hose should fit on here. All right, as you can see, perfect. All right, now I want to do my 120 foot water hose, okay, because I want to put this reel to the test, and also I want to make sure to check for leaks, because if this thing leaks I have to return it because this is all welded. There is no repair for me for this. I don't weld. Don't mind learning, but I didn't weld this, so if it's a bad weld it has to go back. That's one reason why I'm trying to figure out this water issue. All right, you guys, so we on day, I don't know what, but it's taken a week to get through this review. I got this extension. I did get it from Walmart. This is my first time testing it. I did see a female to male connector on Amazon, and that may be the one I need, so I have it on order already. The thing with this one is this metal ring is rubbing, almost rubbing. Oh, we there, you guys. Now tight. All right, we good. So we put our extension on. Now the only thing about this, it looks weird as hell, but I might not leave this one on because I don't want the metal to rub against the reel. I got it on. Actually, hear water going through. All right, got it on full, you guys, and I have no leaks. All right, you guys, so we have no leaks. I am actually happy right now. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. After a whole week of trying to figure out how I'm going to make this situation work. All right, let me clean up real quick. Let me try to reel this in. Now this is not the hose I want to use. This water line is over 100 foot, but I am gonna wind it up for y'all. It's kind of old, it's wearing out. The hose is still good, so I still use it. I saw one at Sam's Club today and I was thinking about getting it, and right now this is all blah 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 blah. All right, you guys, just to inform y'all, this is the only product that I actually tried this hard so I don't have to return it. I'm trying my best to keep this. You know when you try your best to keep something, when you're buying extra stuff to make something that you bought work, that's supposed to work at full price. All right, you guys, I got the hose hooked up. This is my temporary hose that I'm gonna use. A little shaky, but I'll fix that. I'm actually having fun, you guys. That will be it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next video.